It's now super easy to plan your motorcycle adventure, thanks to Ride Lake Superior, an interactive website that basically plans your trip for you. Manager of Tourism Paul Pepe was happy to announce the launch.
It's an epic ride. It's the North Shore of Superior is considered one of the top 5 scenic drives in Canada right now, according to the National Post, and this past weekend. And what we want to do is really celebrate the entire 1,500-mile loop around the lake, and we aim to really put it on the map as one of the world's best motorcycle destinations. And really, what it is it's an opportunity for us to start celebrating the lake and to start promoting it specifically to the motorcycle tourism market.
Over the past year and a half, Tourism Thunder Bay have been working diligently with the motorcycle community to develop a set of criteria that the business community must meet in order to be a part of the official tour.
It's things like having secure areas for their guests to park their bikes overnight, having cameras, having towels in the room that they can wipe their bikes down at the end of the day. It's those sort of simple things that the bikers are looking for that wants to make them feel welcome in a community. It's things like rider discounts. A lot of these bikers travel in groups. They travel as a club, they travel as a group. This is the new trend in group travel in North America right now. And so what we want to do is be as welcoming, as hospitable as possible.
It's an epic journey. It's something that everyone should have on their bucket list to do at least once. I think we as a local group are really blessed to have this beautiful riding, and most of the riders have had the opportunity to do a lot of riding in different areas of North America, and I have to tell you that when I come back, I always marvel at what a great experience it is to ride Lake Superior.
The route spans 2 countries, 3 states, and 1 massive province. Not only is it a geographic journey, it's a cultural one as well, with Tourism Thunder Bay really focusing on overcoming the stigma attached to motorcycle gangs.
Right out of the get-go was, how do we eliminate that stigma that some people have about bikers? And if you look behind me, there's wonderful people, a lot of them doctors, lawyers, retired teachers, accountants, from all walks of life, mechanics, students, anybody can get into biking. And right now with the price of fuel, it's affordable to get into. And the motorcycle tourism market is actually one of the ones that's showing a lot of growth potential too. There's been some changes in the tourism industry in the last decade, changes in how people travel and changes in what people are looking for. And what we found is the motorcycle tourism market is one that's showing growth. More people now, as they're getting into their 40s, they're getting into their 50s, people are retiring younger, and it's a segment that wants to get into biking. And they have the disposable income, and they don't mind traveling. They want to travel. So for us, it's an easy win. It's a way to attract a market that's hungry, that's looking to ride, and has disposable income to ride as well.
For more information on Ride Lake Superior and planning your next motorcycle trip, head to their website. Reporting for Shaw TV in Thunder Bay, I'm Sarah MacArthur.